What's up guys, welcome back to another garage build video. As you can see here, we have the newest addition to the garage build, of course. We ordered some cabinets and I think it's gonna be a freaking awesome addition to this section right over there. I don't know if I can, yeah, so that section right over there. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have a lot more storage. I ran to Home Depot, got some leveling, measuring stuff that I need, and then I'm gonna put basically a wood panel, bolt that down to the wall, and then once I have that bolted down, then we can freely move the boxes as needed. If you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking on the video. This is the garage, this is my build. I love to ride bikes, everything about bikes, dirt, street, all that good stuff. And yeah, thanks for checking out the videos. We do have previous uploads of how this garage became the way it is. So make sure to check those out. I'll link them down in the description below. Fairly new to YouTube, just having fun with my hobbies. Figured I'd document them and show them to you guys and maybe get some interest and some spark here going on with, you know, you and I. Oh, that just splattered like everywhere.
You know, one of the really cool things about these floors is that like you can set things anywhere and you're not gonna scratch your stuff. Go ahead and put this together in 3, 2, 1. Here we have it. These are the storage containers, cabinets. I don't have the front part panel put together because I need to bolt through to connect the to the wood onto the wall. But so far they look pretty sick. None of them came damaged, which is exactly what I was worried about. But all the panels look nice. There's no dents, unlike the big one that I got. There's just a little dent on it, but it's no big deal. So we got one bolt in. Where are the other ones at? So there's probably easier ways of doing this, but I'm probably gonna choose the hard way. And these aren't the lightest out here, but I'm basically just gonna try to hold it up and bolt it at the same time. Shit.
Stop it. Get some help.
What the fuck, bro? Now that was a fail. All right, so kind of learned a lesson, ran to Home Depot real quick, got some longer screws, and now we have the board back up again. Whether it's gonna work, I guess we'll find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to mount the big cabinet up there, and it should stay. I got like 2.5-inch screws this time, so there's no way, and it's pretty hard on there, there's no way it's coming down, so let's find out. So far, so good. It's holding. I guess we'll see what happens here in a bit. Shouldn't be a problem, but so far so good. That's what I like to see. So here's a kind of a final look. Take these suckers off. Oh, Comes with some cool keys. Nobody can steal my junk. Obviously, we just got to clean this up and make it look better, but I think they look pretty great. In the future, I may just put some more up top. And the reason I went with these was because the other ones went too low. They came down to like right here, and I didn't like it because of the 3D printer. So my plan is in the future, if I need to expand, I'm basically gonna get the same exact ones and do another row all the way to the end there. And I really think that's gonna, you know, help me a lot. Or even at that point, I can actually get the bigger bins up top to really extend it and make it look nicer. Guys, the little project is officially done. Now all I gotta do is obviously just kind of fill it up and put what I need in there. I honestly think it is a good product. It's like I said, it's the same version of the tall one that I have right over here. It matches well, and it really just completes the whole garage area. I think it actually looks more like a work desk area. I just want to say I'm super thankful to be able to do this. Building this garage of mine has been honestly a dream. I've been really just loving the whole process of this. As you saw, it wasn't the easiest to do by myself, but I was able to do it and got it pretty dang level. Thanks a lot for checking out the video, and if you did stick along to the end, make sure to like the video if you did. Comment your thoughts on the cabinets, what you think. Like I said, I'm gonna link them down in the description below for you guys to buy them if you do like them and the way it looks. I am no affiliated with any of the products on my channel at all. This is all coming from my own pocket. Ideas that are, you know, just brewing in my mind, and I like to see my visions come true. See you guys.